So now you have fully assembled the Tyranno 2000 watt 72 volt electric pit bike. Hi guys, and welcome to next unboxing video from Mini Bike Store video blog. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the largest electric dirt bikes you can find in our shop at the moment. This is a Tyranno 2000 watt 72 volt electric dirt bike. There are two versions of this speed bike on our website. One is on the 17 and 14 inch wheels, and this one here is on the 19 and 16 inch wheels. So we have 19 inch wheels on the front and 16 inch at the back. This electric pit bike is equipped with the really large 72 volt 30 amp lithium-ion battery. This is really powerful dirt bike. In this video I will show you step by step how to fully assemble the bike and get it ready for the first ride. So let's open the box and see what is inside. This is how the bike is packed. You can see it's well secured in the steel frame. All the parts are attached to the frame. We have the front shock absorbers here, the front wheel, bag with tools, rear shock absorber. First, let's remove all the parts from the box. Next, unscrew all the bolts which holds the frame together and disassemble the frame. Unwrap it. First, let's see what we have in the box here. We have the front number plate. We have the charger. You can see this is the 84 volt 6 amp charger, so it's a fast charger, and this is really big heavy charger. It's a really nice charger, metal one. We have the front axle. We have the foam protector, the bolts and tools for the mounting handlebars. We have some tools here which you can use, but we recommend that you use your own professional tools. We have the user manuals and some zip ties. Now we'll start assembly. I will show you step by step what you have to do to fully assemble the bike. You need to start assembly from installing the handlebars. So this attaches the handlebars from the frame. Unwrap the handlebars. Install the handlebars, make sure the cables are not twisted. And then install the handlebar clamps and the bolts. Make sure the handlebars are on the middle and tighten all 4 bolts. Next, you will need to disconnect the pit bike from the frame and lift it. And you need to lift it and place it on some kind of holder so you can install the front shock absorbers. Once you have the pit bike on the stand like this, you can install the front shock absorbers. The shock absorbers are just here in this box. One of the shock absorbers has the mounting for the brake caliper, so this one has to be from the left side. So insert the shock absorbers through the triple clamp just like this to the top, and tighten these 3 bolts. Next, install the second shock absorber. Next, remove these 3 bolts here on the bottom. Insert the front mudguard. Insert the bolt and tighten all 3 bolts. Next, remove this bolt here on the top. Next, you will need to install the front wheel. Here we have the axle. Insert the axle through the front fork, then the longer spacer, the wheel, from the other side use the other spacer, then push the axle through the second fork and secure with the nut. Remove these 2 bolts. Remove the plastic here from the brake caliper. Insert the brake caliper on the brake disc. And then install the bolts. Next, you will need to move it to the back of the bike and install the rear shock absorber. So unwrap it, remove the bolts, install the front shock absorber on the top, insert the bolt through it, next install the bolt at the bottom. Insert the nut and tighten it well. Next, remove these 2 little screws here. One just here and one here. Install the shock protector. Next, cut the zip ties from the foot pegs. Remove all the stickers protectors. To turn on the pit bike, on the right hand side, just under the seat, just there is the main fuse, so you need to turn on the fuse. So now you have fully assembled the Tyranno 2000 watt 72V electric pit bike. You can see this is pretty big dirt bike. This one here is on the 19 and 16 inch wheels. So it's a good size for teenagers and for adults as well. For you use the pit bike, you need to plug in and charge it and fully charge the battery. The plug is just here from this side. So don't forget to do that. This is very important for the battery. So thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video.